Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make outdoor cleaning a breeze, the EWORK Small Leaf Blower. We've found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EWORK Small Leaf Blower? This is a cordless mini blower designed to tackle leaf and debris cleanup with ease. It's lightweight, compact, and powered by a rechargeable battery, making it an ideal tool for both residential and job site use. With a patented design that boasts impressive wind speeds of up to 130 CFM and 200 miles per hour, this leaf blower is engineered to handle even the most stubborn debris. One of the standout features of the EWORK Small Leaf Blower is its lightweight construction. Weighing in at just 1.8 pounds without the battery, this blower is incredibly easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. Whether you're cleaning your patio, garage, or garden, you'll appreciate how effortless it is to use. Now, let's talk about performance. The EWORK blower comes equipped with a 2.0Ah high-performance lithium battery, which provides a working time of approximately 30 minutes on low speed and about 10 minutes on high speed. This versatility means you can choose the right setting based on your needs. Plus, it includes a UL-certified fast charger to get you back to work quickly. Another significant feature is the blower's multi-purpose capability. It comes with 3 short blow tubes and 1 extension tube, allowing you to customize your setup for various cleaning tasks. Whether you need to clear debris from the ground or reach elevated areas, this blower has you covered. It's perfect for cleaning up after yard work, blowing out dust from workshops, or even clearing shavings from woodworking projects. Safety is also a priority with the EWORK Small Leaf Blower. It features a built-in overload protection system that automatically cuts off power when the voltage is too high or too low, safeguarding the battery's lifespan. Additionally, the fast charger adheres to UL certification standards, ensuring safe and efficient charging. So, who is this leaf blower suitable for? If you're a homeowner looking to maintain your yard, this tool is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for anyone, even those who may struggle with heavier equipment. It's also ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable blower for quick cleanups on job sites or at home. In terms of practical use cases, think about all the scenarios where a leaf blower can come in handy. You can use it to clear leaves from your driveway, remove debris from walkways, or blow dust off your workbench after a project. If you've just finished cutting lumber or sanding, this blower makes quick work of cleaning up. It's also great for clearing loose stones or dirt from your garage or patio, making it a versatile tool for various outdoor cleaning tasks. In summary, the EWORK Small Leaf Blower is a lightweight, cordless solution for anyone needing an efficient and versatile cleaning tool. With its impressive features, practical applications, and safety measures, it's a product worth considering for your outdoor maintenance toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.